Hello everyone, in this video we will start with point number 2 of session 3. So let's get started. We will start with the second point, that is love, hate and marriage. Misanthrope, misogynist and misogamist are built on the Greek root misan, which means to hate. Misanthrope hates mankind, misogynist hates women, misogamist hates marriage. In these three words, anthros is the Greek root in the first word, which means mankind. In the second word, gyne is the Greek root, which means women. And in the third word, that is misogamist, gamos is a Greek root, which means marriage. Anthropology, the study of the development of the human race, is also derived from anthropos, which means mankind, and another word, philanthropist, which we saw in the previous session, which means person who is in love with mankind. So one who loves mankind and shows such love by making substantial. You can read it, it's not that important. You just have to understand what philanthropist means and its origin, like its etymology. The root gyne, which means woman, is also found in gynecologist. Gynecologist is a medical specialist who treats female disorders. Okay. Next, we have monogamy, bigamy, and polygamy. These three words have gamy in common, which means marriage. Monogamy is the institution of single marriage, mono means one. Bigamy is the institution of double marriage, bi means two, so you can understand. Polygamy is the institution of many marriages. Okay. Now we will see bigamy by etymology means two marriages, monogamy is the custom of only one marriage, and polygamy by derivation many marriages. Okay, we have another word, that is polygyny right here. Polygyny means a woman, polygamy means a particular person who has many wives. So this is polygamy. So I will tell you what the difference is. Three words are there. First is polygamy, then is polygyny, and then here is polyandry. Polygamy is said in general, like we just refer to the institution of marriage as in many marriage. And the second word is polygyny. Polygyny means a marriage in which there are many wives. Okay. And polyandry is the institution of marriage in which there are many husbands. So I hope it's clear. Moving on, we will see the third part is making friends with suffixes. Okay, we will make new words by adding suffixes. So this is the most important part. I mean, if you learn this, you will not get confused, and there are exercises related to this, so hope you learn it. Misanthrope or misanthropist, it is the person, like for example gynecologist. Gynecologist is one who treats female disorders, and the study of that is called gynecology, and if we need to describe one, we will say gynecological. So similarly, that is misogynist is one who hates marriage, misogyny is the practice, and adjective is this. So you can read all this here, it is here till here. We will move on the third one, that is ascetic, living alone and liking it. Ascetic is from Greek word ascetes, which means monk or hermit, as I told you, sadhu, simple word. A monk lives a lonely life, not for him the pleasures of the flesh pots. You can read this. We have another word, that is ascetism. Ascetism is the adjective, and ascetic is the speciality, like gynecologist. So ascetic is the specialist. In the next session, we will start with review of etymology, and we will go through completing the exercises. Do not forget to read this and revise this as many times as you can. Suppose this is the specialist, the person who is specialist in this particular work, monogamy, and adjective is monogamous, bigamous, polygamous, polygynous, polyandrous. I was talking about these three only, like it is polygamy, polygyny, and polyandry. These three are related, but there is much difference between these three. So we will meet in the next session. Thanks for watching.